welcome to my channel. My name is Maya. So today I am going to be showing you guys another skincare routine. What's new? I am washing my face. I'm going to do a separate video on like explaining why my skin is feeling the way it's been feeling. My skin is feeling quite dry. As you've seen, I've been doing quite a bit of exfoliation, and I've been talking about the need to balance your skincare. You can exfoliate, which is important, but you also need to make sure that you're putting the moisture and the ceramides and all the good, putting the nutrients back into your skin is very important. So I'm about to hop in the shower, but I'm going to wash my face first and show you guys that routine. So I'm going to be using a few gentle products today, because like I said, my skin has been feeling quite dry, so I'm not going to be doing any more exfoliation, at least for this weekend. I'm not going to be using the histamine products, no histamine products, because it's a little bit too much exfoliation. Even though in the past I have kind of pushed through it, but I don't really feel like I need to. And I noticed that my chin was kind of dry. Just my skin is dry. It's winter time. So let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? I'm going to start by washing my face. I'm going to use this one, Hawaiian Facial Cleanser, Pore Purifying Pineapple Enzymes. This is a gentle cleanser. It has like aloe vera in there. It's not very high on the list, but this is a pretty gentle cleanser, so I like to use this. So we're going to start with dry skin and, you know, some cleanser. I'm trying to put too much, because sometimes I will use too much. Honestly, I like to use the water, so that's what I'm going to do, because it's my face and I can do what I want to do, and it's my routine. I actually like to use water when I'm cleansing, you know, kind of as a part of the first step. So go in, cleanse your skin for how long? I always say it, 30 seconds to a minute. Make sure that you get all the dirt and grime off from the previous night or day. So it's important to use a gentle cleanser no matter what phase of your skincare or routine or what skincare concerns you have, because cleansing is something that has to be on your skin for a minute, and also because you don't want to strip your skin too much. If you're using a lot of actives and acids, it's really nice to have a gentle cleanser, to have, you know, some kind of gentle product in your routine. And the cleanser is not going to sit on your face for too long, so there's really no reason to buy one that has a bunch of different actives in it, because it's not really going to do much. It's best to use a gentle cleanser to gently, you know, wash all the dirt and grime off your face, and to make sure that your skin is prepared and not stripped for your next step. So I washed my face, and I think I started to say that I'm not doing a lot of exfoliation this week, or at least this next couple of days, because my skin has been over exfoliated from doing the histamine products, and like my skin's starting to feel dry, and I just need to, you know, rebalance and put some moisture back into it. So that being said, I'm going to use this product right here. This is the Farmacy Honey Potion. It is, let me put it close up so I can see. Farmacy Honey Potion. This stuff, it says renewing antioxidant mask. That's what I was looking for earlier. So I have some antioxidant products that are really good for restoring moisture in your skin as well. So, and just kind of restoring like balance and restoring the balance in your skin, because your skin needs balance. The antioxidants are good for restoring balance in your skin. So I'm going to use this as my second step. So let's go ahead and apply this. It came with a little scooper, but I lost it, and it was magnetic. So, you know, those only work so good, but it actually did work quite well. But, you know, in moving and things, you know, things get displaced and lost. So going with my fingers, kind of gross, but they're clean. But I would prefer to use the scooper that came with, the first scooper. Okay, so let me apply this. This warming massage mask nourishes and revitalizes the skin for a glowing, smooth complexion. An intensely moisturizing combination of honey, a natural humectant used since ancient times, propolis, a healing antiseptic found in beehives, and amino acid rich royal jelly enhances skin renewal for a younger appearance. So yeah, that's what it does. And it feels nice and soft and stuff on your skin. My phone is ringing. I'll be right back. I'm still applying this mask. It starts out like this, you know, kind of clear. It's a yellow tint, which I'm sure is dyed to make it look like honey, but whatever. It's a yellow tinted gel. When you put it on and begin to rub it in, it turns white. So that's kind of interesting. And it definitely does have like a tingling, warming sensation, which if my skin was extremely raw, extremely irritated, would just make it worse. But because my skin is not really that bad as far as being over exfoliated, it just kind of feels like a little slight tingle. So it's fine. The first time I used this product, I was exfoliating hardcore. I think I was actually doing the histamine product for like the full 12-week cycle, and I used this. I was like, oh no, this is burning my skin, so that's a no. But I kept it, of course, because it was like $45. It was a gift that I asked for Christmas, so I was like, I have to keep it and use it. So yeah, it's not bad when your skin's not extremely exfoliated, extremely dehydrated. But if you are doing a lot of exfoliation, I would not opt for this mask in particular to moisturize my skin. I would use an oatmeal based mask, like something that has colloidal oatmeal, aloe vera, something very, very soothing, just to kind of rebuild your skin barrier a little bit, and then you can go on and use these, use this as a continual part of your routine. So it is nice, like I said, to make sure that you include some hydration into your skincare. It's not just nice, it's very important to make sure your skin is balanced. So I'm done putting this on. I'll let this sit for a few minutes. I think if it sits for a while, it starts to actually turn clear again. So I'm gonna leave it alone, stop rubbing it in so much, let it sit for a little bit, put the rest on my neck, because why not? My neck also gets dry. I'm such a goofball. Anyway, so put the rest on my neck, let it sit, and then I'll be back for the next step. Oh, actually no, I want to talk about this other pharmacy product briefly. I love this stuff. This is what I originally thought that this bigger honey potion was. I thought, because I don't read sometimes, guys, I'm just like, oh, okay, because I had a smaller sample size of this. I was like, well, this must be the bigger one. It's not at all. This is called Honey Savior. This is called Honey Potion. Different names, different products, different meanings. Differentiate for a reason, right? I originally got the smaller version of this one, just like a little sample size or something. This stuff is so moisturizing, so soothing, and if you have been doing a lot of exfoliation, if you have been over exfoliating your skin, this is a good product that you can use to help to rebuild that skin barrier, help to put some moisture back into your skin without irritating it. It's very soothing. It's called a Honey Savior, and it's a salve, and it feels like that. It kind of, the word salve, it just sounds very repairing, healing, natural. It just sounds nice, right? It really kind of rolls off your tongue, salve. So yeah, so that's what this is. It is a all-in-one skin repair salve, and then it's in French. It's in French. Let me not even. I'm goofy. So yes, I really like this product. It's by the brand Farmacy, and I kind of forgot about it. I was like, oh yeah, I forgot I had this. This is really, really good to moisturize your skin, and you can leave this on. It's another one of those honey infused products. Apply a small amount to clean skin and massage until fully absorbed. Use daily or as needed for targeted care. So you can use this on your face, you can use this all over your body, anywhere that you have dry skin, really, really tough, rough, dry skin, you can use it there. It is kind of expensive, so I just use it on my face. Like, I can use regular lotion on my body. I don't have issues like that for the most part. But this is a really good product. I really do recommend using this. If you've been doing a lot of over exfoliation, or even if your skin's just dry, if you have dry skin in general, I recommend this product highly. It's very moisturizing. It's a great skincare product to have in your repertoire. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. I tell you guys all the time, when you're doing skincare, you have to give every product some time to reap its full benefits, absorb into your skin, give you the full moisturizing session, however you want to say it. So I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes, then I'm gonna wash it off and go to the next step. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start wiping this off. It's been sitting for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. My skin already feels nice and moisturized. The thing with anything, it's really just about doing the small things regularly. We all know that's true in life. That's true with skincare, that's true with hair care, that's true with anything that you want. That's true with achieving your goals. It's just, you have to do the small things consistently over and over and over and over and over and over again. If you want to have really nice, really healthy skin, you have to take care of it every day, a little bit. And no one's saying you have to do a full face mask. And this is honestly a message to myself, because sometimes I get on here and I'm like, oh no, I don't have 15 products to put on my face every day. It's not even necessarily about that. It's just about making sure that my skin is clean and moisturized, and that I'm applying my treatment products. If I'm trying to treat something, making sure I clean my skin and apply my treatment products. That's really what it comes down to. So the skincare, you don't have to do all these steps every single day. It's not even advised that you do all these steps every single day, because it's just sometimes less is more. That's another one of those things. I really am a person that loves cliches, because they came from somewhere, someone experienced it. But anyway, so yeah, with skincare, sometimes less is more, and just making sure that your skin is clean and moisturized, and that you apply your treatment products. If you're trying to work on something, that alone will make the biggest difference in your skincare. Like when you get facials and things like that, they tell you at home care is the biggest part. we're all thinking, oh, I have to go get professional facials to change my skin. If I can't get professional facials, then my skin is just going to be bad forever, and I can't figure out how to do it myself at home. But you can. And if you get facials done, they tell you the most important part is doing the at-home care, because that's the consistency of it. It's like everything, you have to be consistent with it. So just wash your face twice a day. Literally just wash. I say all the time, washing your face twice a day alone will change your skin drastically. If you suffer from acne, if you suffer from, of course, a lot of times these things can be internal as well, and that's something completely different. I don't know anything about internal medicine, you know, how your internals can affect your skin as a whole. But if you're suffering from just like blackheads and like, you know, basic acne and things like that, washing your face twice a day will make a huge difference. And I am someone who suffers from acne, and not hardcore, but I do break out. I have a pimple right here, don't know where it came from. I went ahead and washed that off now. And it's another thing that I like to tell myself too, and tell you guys, it's not even about making sure that your skin's squeaky clean and like that you do every single step perfectly. I'm like, some days I don't feel like washing my face for a full minute. I gotta get the 30 seconds and wash it off. But even that's better than doing nothing. It's like even just washing it for 30 seconds, or just washing it for like hastily, however long, just wash, get this stuff off. That's better than doing nothing. Like if you're wearing makeup and you don't wash your face at night because you don't want to do the whole process, routine, everything that's involved in doing it, quickly have a process in place. Where for me, what I like to do is I take oil, usually olive oil, because it's liquid. I don't have to worry about heating it up. So I take liquid olive oil, wipe it on my face, take a paper towel, damp the paper towel, wipe the makeup off. If I'm super tired, sometimes or lazy, I'll just go to sleep like that. And that's better than not, you know, than sleeping with makeup. It's not better. Of course, it's better to clean your skin, take the makeup off and clean your skin. But just taking the makeup off is better than doing nothing. So that's how I think about it. Take the makeup off, and if you have the energy, which you should, you know, it only takes like I said, 30 seconds to a minute. Wash it off. Get your soap. Wash everything off. Put your moisturizer on. Go to sleep. You know, so it's just things like that. Just kind of trying to make things routine and make things easy for you. That's my biggest thing. If something is easy for me, I'm way more apt to do it. If I make a process or a plan that makes it easier for me to do it, I'm much more likely to do it. So that being said, I'm going to go on to toning my skin. I know most of the time I say I don't really like toning my skin because I just don't do it. I don't see the reason. Really, I know there has to be a reason, but I don't know, child. Anyway, so this is the Vitamin C Acai Berry Purifying Toner Brightening System. Most skin types removes pore clogging residue, so that's cool. That's why I got it. I got it because vitamin C apparently does something to help brighten your skin. Girl, I don't know. I haven't noticed any difference from using vitamin C products, but that's what they say. So again, I like to have products that maybe it's doing something. Maybe it's helping out. If I like it, I'll repurchase it. But all that talking, my skin does feel very nice and soft and supple from that face mask. I'm glad that I did that. Let's apply this toner and then go to the next step. It's liquidy. I like to just do it straight on my hands and just put it straight on the face. I know you can put it on a pad, a cotton pad. I don't know all that. You can dab it in. This stuff honestly does have a little bit of a tingle too. So that's another reason why I'm like, I know this brand is very natural. This brand, Now Solutions, is like a natural brand. They sell it at like Whole Foods and things like that. It doesn't always mean that it's natural. Sometimes it's just marketing. But it says gluten-free, vegan, organic, certified ingredients. First ingredient is water. Second ingredient is aloe vera juice. So that's good. I love aloe vera products. They work really well with my skin and my hair. So it's actually already dried. I usually say let your product sit or sink in for at least 5 minutes. But like I also said, doing that sometimes can draw the routine out. You just want to be done with it. So again, just do what feels easiest to you, what gives you the less stress, the least amount of stress, what feels you know, more natural. Of course, it is best to give your products 5 minutes to absorb in between time. But no, we don't always have time for that. Sometimes I need to put everything on and go. And like I said, that's better than doing nothing. Doing something, a little bit of something, chipping away at your issues little by little is better than just being like, oh, it's too much, I can't do it. Forget it. My face looks stupid. I don't care. I have a face full of like, my face doesn't look the way I want it to look. As far as like my skin doesn't look the way I want it to look. I just can't deal with it. No, little by little, okay? Little by little. Work on things little by little. That being said, I'm not waiting 5 minutes for this to absorb because I don't feel like it, and because why not? Like I just gave a whole sermon on it. Let's go ahead and go to the next step, which is I'm going to use this. So I said I was going to use the other moisturizing product. I'm going to use this because this is very, very moisturizing. It's a honey savior. I'm just going to use a little bit as my moisturizer, and that's like the last step. So it's kind of liquidy. You can't really see it, but it's kind of liquidy. And also, let me show you. See this? Kind of liquidy. But honestly, it's yeah, there you go. It has like a thicker consistency too. So I'm not gonna use a lot. Rub it in. Put it on my skin. Now this is really more of a nighttime treatment. If you were to use this during the day, I even use too much. If you're gonna use this on your face during the day, don't use as much as I did. I didn't even use it much. But it's very, very moisturizing. It's very soothing. It's like amazing. It's an amazing product to have in your skincare arsenal. And if you're doing like a lot of like cold activity sports, because it is winter, like cold activities, like if you're gonna be hiking in the cold or doing like snow activities, this is something good to put on your face. This and your sunblock, of course, but this is something good to use as a moisturizer because it's very thick, it's very moisturizing, and it'll keep your skin hydrated while you're, you know, out there snowboarding, hang gliding, I don't know, doing outdoor activities. I love nature. I might get outside today, guys. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Of course, the last step is to, what I say, do sunblock, wait 5 minutes, then do your sunblock. I never do sunblock on camera because like I just said, waiting 5 minutes, I gotta wait 5 more minutes and come back. It's all too much. Or I could just fake it and lie, but I don't want to do that either. So I'm just gonna cut this off here. I applied my moisturizing product. It's very soothing on my skin. I'm so happy that I decided to use this today. And of course, use your sunblock. Let this absorb for 5 minutes and use your sunblock. It is daytime. That's why I'm saying use your sunblock if you're gonna go outside. If you use this at night, you can put even more on than I did and just, you know, let it absorb and go to sleep. I saw somewhere that you're supposed to do your skincare routine 4 hours before bed. I'm like, ooh, 4 hours? Oh my God. It's like the rules keep changing. It's like all the things for best absorption, things for best da-da-da. You have to just do what's best for you. Like sometimes you don't have, sometimes 4 hours before bed, sometimes I get home and I'm tired. So I'm just wait 4 hours, like no. It's just like there's a bunch of rules to things, and or just not even, I guess you rules and people's opinions. But yes, it is. It definitely, you definitely don't want to do your skincare routine if you have time. You don't want to do it right before you go to bed, because that way all your products are going to rub out on your pillow. You want to give it some time to absorb into your skin. But like I always say, 5 minutes is good enough. So if you do your skincare routine, let it sit for 5 minutes, go to sleep, that's fine. Even if you do your skincare routine and go to bed right after, that's fine as well. Because like I told you guys, do what works best for you. Do what you can little by little. Everyone doesn't have time, energy, resources to be sitting out here letting 4 hours pass before they go to bed, because they have, you know, stuff to do. So I think I'm off my soapbox today. I'm very chatty Cathy today. But hope this video helped somebody. I hope you guys find it interesting. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course. We're kind of growing, okay? Little by little. I see a little bit of subscribers. I see you guys. Hi, I'm so appreciative for you. Thank you for watching. You're really inspiring me to keep doing this, because your girl, I like doing things, but I also get discouraged. I'm like, if no one's watching, why am I wasting my time? I have other things I could do. But people are watching little by little. My subscriber count is growing little by little, and that's dope. I'm like, I'm happy for that. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your time, guys. My name is Maya. Again, subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Please like this video. Just give it a like. If you don't want to leave a comment, that's fine. If you don't, you should subscribe. Subscribe just for GP. But if you don't want to leave a comment, that's fine. Please give me a like. Give this video a like, okay, so other people can see it. Cheese. And it's related to all my other skincare videos. Yeah, give this video a like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Like it and share with your friends. That's something that you can do too. That's free. I mean, I know sometimes it's like, I'm not sharing this too much. They don't need to know what I'm watching. But if you decide to share, if you think you know someone that might like this video, or personality, whatever, share it. Okay, I talked too fast. I'm just talking too much. My skin looks really nice and shiny. I love when my skin looks shiny. Bye guys. Talk to you later.